Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Multichain. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this big down channel, and on the smaller time frame chart, Multichain has re-entered the same triangle that was a few hours back broken down. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I am sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my recent trade signal of Multichain that I shared with my members a few days back on 3rd of November. That was a harmonic bullish reverse regardless setup that Multichain formed with US dollar pair. And after playing this chart, we can see that we had a very nice pump that was, by the way, more than 16% on this 4-hour time frame chart. And you can see that the price line rallied slightly beyond the sell target that I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this Gardner pattern. Now, if we take a look at this daily time frame chart, then previously here Multichain broke out this resistance of the falling wedge pattern, and after the breakout we had some more price correction. You can see after this rally the price then found this down trend line resistance and started moving zigzag inside this another down channel, and now we are very close to the resistance of this channel once again. On the smaller time frame chart, recently we broke down the support of the triangle a few hours back, but that was a fake out to the downside, and the price line has re-entered the same symmetrical triangle. Now, for example, if the price line breaks out the resistance of this triangle, that will be a very significant breakout, because you can see it is showing us the projection or the target for this triangle after the breakout at $5.50, and if it goes there, then it can, you can see, also hit this key resistance we exactly have here at $5.50, and previously this level has been working as a resistance here and resistance here and resistance here. And you can see for the past several months it is working as a strong resistance. Therefore, after breaking out this channel, it may also try to break out this key resistance of $5.50 as well. And after breaking out this smaller channel, our target to the upside can be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $7.70. And the target for the bigger falling wedge pattern is still due. That is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at $25. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.